So the new topic is Tower of Hanoi. So in Tower of Hanoi, what is the logic of Tower of Hanoi? We have to understand that. So there have only three stand. You can see here a tower have only three stand. Okay, and we have to move this pyramid shape tower from one stand to another stand. Okay, so we consider that suppose this stand is A, this is B, and this is C. So we can move from A to B or A to C, whatever, any other stand. So they have a different logic, different algorithm. Okay, so first of all, the rule of this Tower of Hanoi is there have only three stand. There have only three stand, but n number of discs can be there. You can see here the example. For this example, here is four disc. Okay, we take this example with a four disc. Okay, and there should be there may be n number of discs. Okay, so disc can be n number, but only the fixed thing is the number of stand will be 3. Okay, and if the number of disk is increased, the number of step will be increased, but we can move. And the another rule is always when a disk is moved from one stand to another stand, always a smaller will be shift over the bigger disk. That means always a smaller will be shift on a particular disk that should be bigger than that smaller disk. Okay, so you can see the logic. So first step, we have to shift this pyramid or this tower from this stand to another stand. Okay, maybe this stand to B stand, A stand to B stand, or A stand to C stand. So now just check it how it is perform. Okay, so first we have to move this smaller one to either this empty stand or this empty stand. So just check. Okay, there is a logic. The objective of transfer the entire tower to one of the other peg. This is called peg or the stand. Okay, only one disk may be moved at a time. Only one disk can be moved from one stand to another stand at a time. Especially only the top disk. Okay, only the top disk. So this is another example of stack. Okay, this is another example of stack also. Okay, because recursive function follow the data structure or the rule that is LIFO. Okay, so whatever, uh, only the top disk on any disk on any peg means anywhere of any one of this peg, the topmost any one of the stand. Maybe suppose there have some uh, disk, there have some disk, and there have some stick. So from any one of this stand, the topmost disk can be moved. Okay, at no time can a larger disk be placed on a smaller disk. So that means the same rule. We can only move a smaller disk from an, uh, from another stand to another from a particular stand to another stand, but that time its top position, whatever the size of disk, that should be bigger than our moving disk. Okay, so that is at no time can a larger disk be placed on a smaller disk. Okay, so here it is the example. Here you can see there is a three disk with a different color, but stand is same fixed three. Okay, so first we can shift this topmost disk from, this is our, if we consider this is A, B and C stand, so from A stand to either B stand or C stand, because both is empty. So we just shift to C stand. Okay. Now, if we want to shift this green color disk over the blue color disk, this is not possible because green is bigger than the blue disk. So according to the rule, we cannot move the green disk over the blue disk. So only have the one choice, green disk should be shipped into this B stand. Okay. Okay. Now, if we want to shift this red disk, that is the biggest disk, from this stand to another stand, but it is not possible because both the stand have the disk that is smaller than this red red disk. Okay, so that is why we have to emptify at least one stand. Okay, and that is possible only if we shift this blue disk over the green disk, because if we shift this green disk over the blue disk, that is contradict our rule, because green is bigger. So that is why the smaller will be shift over the bigger disk. So next we shift this blue disk over the green disk. Okay, now this stand is empty. So now we can move this red disk to this one. Okay, so now see, now we have to shift this tower from A stand to C stand. So green should be come over the red. Okay, so to shift the green over the red, first we shift the blue into the A stand, that is the empty stand. Then we can move this green, because at a time we can move a single one. Okay, so now we just move the blue color to A stand, then the green color from B stand to C stand, and then blue color should be come at the top position of C stand. So this is the way we can solve this puzzle or this problem. Hope all of you understand. Okay. So you can see here Tower of Hanoi, algorithm. Okay. This is not the procedure. Okay. This is a example of last step. Okay. So let's call the three peg, that is beg for source or beginning, and we can say this beg as a from from stand. Okay. Auxiliary, that means a stand that we will use only, but tower will not shift to that auxiliary stand. So these are the name of the stand basically. This is source, this is destination. Here A was the source because first time the tower have into the A stand, and this tower will be shipped from A to C. So that is why A is our source stand, C our destination stand. So we can say this is our from stand, this is our to stand. Okay, just check it. And auxiliary, this middle one is the auxiliary because we have to use this to shift the tower. Okay, so move the top n minus 1 disk, because if there have n number of disk, so n minus 1th disk from the source to auxiliary tower. Next step is move the nth disk from the source to destination tower. Move the n minus 1 disk from auxiliary tower to destination tower. So this is the procedure, this is the algorithm basically, and we have to implement this algorithm into our C code. So another way, it is a algorithm with a pseudocode. Okay, tower n is the number of disk, big, that is the beginning, that is the source, that is the from stand, auxiliary, that should be used, but this is not the beginning stand or the source stand, and this is not the end stand or the destination stand or the to stand. We have to shift the tower from to stand, or from source stand to destination stand, and we have to use the auxiliary stand. Okay, so this three stand is fixed. And the as far as the logic, if n equals to 1, then big is the end and return. From big to this will be shift to end and return. And this is solved by the factorial function, that is call n minus 1 big end auxiliary. So you can see this is our pseudocode, and we have to implement this in